curious, an app getting traction in Europe. It's called beloud.now. So basically make unsafe places visible, mark where it happened, your experience instantly visible, also available in different modes. So kind of just like a simple way to share experiences in big cities, European cities, or not just cities, the places. And you make places of concern visible anonymously without login, without barriers. Simple way and make places of concern visible. Anonymous sharing of experiences with marked locations, quick and easy to use, no account required. So here, for example, you just can see the map of Europe. So this app is mostly used actively in Europe. Like you can see, for example, in like Amsterdam, you can see all the places of concern, and then you can see in the top, you can see the filter 24 hours or 30 days, and then you can see all types of events which happened, and then you can kind of browse which areas are kind of not that safe or which are kind of safer. So that's, or maybe there is just more reports. You can see a lot of users in Germany for this app. Yeah, it's kind of like a European safety app. And then yeah, you can just tap in here. You can see just someone says unsafe. Someone says this. So, and then you can see, you can just report incident. And then you can just buy a coffee. You can see current numbers, experiences, share project, and then help us support. And then you can just tap. So basically, you can just tap plus in the bottom and then report incident. So yeah, kind of cool app. Try it out.